is in Fords. Solar-grade silicon must be 99.9% pure. Even 1 part per million of contamination can The Czochralski-Pil process grows a single perfect crystal from a pool of molten silicon. The resulting ingot has an absolutely uniform atomic structure. The seed crystal establishes the atomic lattice orientation. Every atom in the growing ingot aligns itself to match the seed's perfect crystalline structure. A single solar-grade silicon ingot weighs over 100 kilograms and will yield enough solar cells to generate thousands of watts of clean electricity for decades. Squaring the round ingot into a pseudo-square shape allows cells to be packed more tightly in the panel, minimizing wasted space and maximizing power output per panel area. Each wafer is sliced to just 170 microns thick. Thinner wafers use less expensive silicon, but must remain strong enough to survive automated production handling.
Every wafer batch is tracked from raw silicon through finished cell, enabling quality engineers to trace any performance issue back to its specific process origin.
Material qualification testing verifies every incoming batch meets the stringent specifications required for high-efficiency solar cell manufacturing.
Surface texturing creates millions of tiny pyramids that trap light by causing multiple reflections, reducing surface reflection from over 30% to below 10%.
The alkaline etch selectively removes silicon along specific crystal planes, naturally forming pyramid shapes that are geometrically optimal for light trapping. Post-texture cleaning must remove every trace of metallic contamination. Metal atoms on the wafer surface would create recombination centers that destroy photogeneration.
The textured surface appears dark because it absorbs most incoming light. This is exactly the desired effect. More absorbed light means
reflectance measurement confirms the texturing process reduced surface reflection to the target level, typically below 10% averaged across the solar spectrum.
wafer thickness after texturing must remain above the minimum specification. Too thin wafers break during automated handling, destroying yield and contaminating equipment.
The clean textured wafers are now ready for the most critical step in solar cell manufacturing, the formation of the P-N junction that converts light into electricity. Phosphorus diffusion creates the P-N junction, the fundamental structure that generates electricity when light is absorbed. Without this junction, silicon cannot convert photons into current. At 850 degrees, phosphorus atoms penetrate the silicon surface and replace silicon atoms in the crystal lattice, creating the negatively doped emitter layer.
The diffusion recipe, temperature, time, and gas composition must be precisely controlled. Variations of even
Heat resistance measurement is the primary quality indicator for the diffusion process, directly correlating to the junction characteristics that determine cell voltage. The silicon nitride anti-reflection coating reduces surface reflection to below 3%, dramatically increasing the amount of sunlight absorbed by the cell. The characteristic blue color of solar cells comes from the silicon nitride anti-reflection coating, its thickness precisely tuned. Rear surface passivation with aluminum oxide dramatically reduces electron recombination, boosting cell efficiency by up to half. Screen printing deposits the silver electrode grid that collects photo-generated current from the cell surface. The grid design balances maximum current collection against minimum shading. The silver grid design is a precise engineering optimization. Wider fingers more current but shade more light. Full area aluminum rear printing creates the back surface field, a built-in electric field at the rear surface that reflects photo-generated electrons back toward the junction. The firing process is extraordinarily precise. In just seconds at peak temperature, the silver paste etches through the anti-reflection. Solar simulation testing illuminates each cell with calibrated artificial sunlight and measures the exact electrical output. This determines the cell efficiency and its price grade. Cell sorting ensures every panel contains cells of matched performance. Mismatched cells would limit the entire panel's output to that of the weakest cell. This single solar cell converts over 22% of incoming sunlight directly into electricity. A remarkable electroluminescence imaging reveals hidden cracks invisible to the eye. A cracked cell may initially perform normally but degrade rapidly under outdoor thermal cycling. Module assembly transforms fragile individual cells into rugged, weatherproof panels that will generate clean electricity for over 25 years in all weather conditions. Series connection adds the voltage of each cell together. A string of 6 cells produces approximately 3.6 volts, building toward the panel's target operating voltage. Layup positions every cell in its exact designed location on the glass substrate. Cell spacing affects both power output and the panel's visual appearance.
Fences. A standard residential panel contains 60 or 72 cells producing 300 to 400 watts of power, enough to run.
EVA encapsulant provides the critical moisture barrier and mechanical cushion that protects the fragile cells from humidity, temperature extremes, and mechanical stress. Solar glass is specifically formulated with low iron content for maximum light transmission. Tempered to withstand hailstones, it protects the cells for decades. Lamination is irreversible. Under vacuum and heat, the EVA melts and cross-links, permanently sealing the cells inside a weatherproof, transparent enclosure. Clean trimmed edges ensure the aluminum frame fits precisely, and the panel edge seal prevents moisture entry that could degrade the encapsulant over time. The aluminum frame provides structural rigidity for mounting, protects the glass edges from chipping, and creates the mounting interface for roof or ground installation. The butyl sealant between frame and glass creates a waterproof barrier that prevents moisture ingress at the panel edges throughout the 25-year warranty period. The Junction-Box houses the bypass diodes that protect the panel from damage when individual cells are shaded, and provides the connectors for system wiring. Each solder joint carries the panel's full output current. Joint quality must be perfect because repair after the junction box is sealed is virtually impossible. MC4 connectors are the industry standard for solar panel interconnection. Their locking, weatherproof design enables reliable, tool-free field wiring. The serial number provides lifetime traceability for every panel. Warranty claims, performance monitoring, and recycling all rely on this unique identifier. Visual inspection ensures the panel's appearance meet consumer expectations. Visible cell defects, discoloration, or frame damage would reduce customer confidence. Flash testing illuminates the panel with a xenon lamp that precisely replicates the solar spectrum at standard test conditions, 1,000 watts per square meter at 25 degrees Celsius. The IV curve is the panel's electrical fingerprint. Its shape reveals everything about cell quality, connection integrity. Electroluminescence imaging is the most powerful quality tool in panel manufacturing. It reveals hidden defects that would cause premature power degradation in the field. The flash test label guarantees the panel's specific measured output. Customers can verify their panel meets the manufacturer's power rating. Insulation testing proves the panel safely isolates its high-voltage circuitry from the grounded frame. This test is mandatory for all safety certifications. Mechanical testing applies loads equivalent to heavy snow accumulation and extreme wind gusts, verifying the panel and frame maintain structural integrity.
Hail testing fires 25mm ice balls at over 20 meters per second at the most vulnerable panel points. The tempered glass must survive without cracking.
Damp heat testing is the most demanding reliability test. 1,000 hours at extreme temperature and humidity simulates decades of tropical outdoor exposure. Solar panel packaging must protect the tempered glass from impact and the frame corners from damage during the often rough handling of global freight distribution. Pallet stacking patterns are engineered to distribute weight evenly and maximize the number of panels per shipping container while preventing transport damage. A single 40-foot shipping container holds over 600 standard residential solar panels, enough to power approximately 150 homes. Solar panel shipments require certificates of compliance with international standards IEC 6125. The 25-year linear performance warranty guarantees the panel will still produce at least 80% of its original rated power after a quarter century of outdoor operation. International solar panel trade requires compliance with complex regulations, including anti-dumping duties, local content requirements, and safety certifications. Each panel in this warehouse will generate clean electricity for over 25 years, collectively preventing thousands of tons of carbon dioxide emissions. The warehouse holds gigawatts of solar generating capacity, ready for immediate shipment to residential, commercial, and utility-scale solar installations worldwide. Order picking combines panels of matched power grades into complete installation quantities, ensuring every project receives properly matched modules. Inventory management balances production output against seasonal demand patterns. Solar installations peak in spring and summer, requiring strategic inventory buildup.
Every warranty claim provides data that improves manufacturing processes. Common failure modes are identified and eliminated through design and process improvements.
Solar panel recycling recovers over 90% of the materials, including glass, aluminum, copper, and silicon, for reuse in new products.
Transportation optimization reduces both shipping costs and the carbon footprint of panel delivery, improving the overall environmental benefit of solar energy. Every departing truck carries clean energy potential. These panels will silently convert sunlight into electricity for decades with zero emissions. The control room monitors every aspect of production, from crystal growth to module packaging, tracking efficiency, yield, and quality in real time.
Recipe optimization is continuous. Even a fraction of a percent improvement in cell efficiency translates to millions of dollars in additional revenue.
Failure analysis at the microscopic level reveals the root cause of efficiency losses, enabling targeted process improvements that raise average production quality. We're at 98% yield on the current batch. Watch the pressure on automated track 3.
Noted. Is the calibration holding steady on the new reactor?
Yes, it is stable. We've logged it here. Research and development pushes cell efficiency toward the theoretical limit. Each new cell architecture generation delivers higher efficiency from the same amount of silicon.
Machine learning defect classification automatically identifies and categorizes every defect type visible in electroluminescence images, enabling rapid quality response.
Safety management in solar cell manufacturing addresses chemical handling, high-temperature equipment, laser systems, and electrical hazards. Operator expertise directly impacts yield and quality. Experienced workers recognize subtle process variations that automated systems may not detect. Each efficiency record represents the combined achievement of hundreds of engineers, operators, and technicians working together to push the boundaries of solar technology. Solar panel manufacturing runs continuously to meet the world's accelerating demand for clean energy technology. Night production carries the same quality expectations as daytime. Every cell and every panel must meet identical specifications regardless of the hour. The flash test system operates identically day and night, automatically testing and sorting every panel manufactured, regardless of production shift. Crystal growth is the factory's longest process. Each ingot requires over 24 hours of continuous controlled pulling from the melt.
Site maintenance ensures production equipment is in peak condition for morning startup, performing calibration and component replacement during scheduled downtime.
From a grain of sand to a ray of clean electricity, the solar panel factory transforms Earth's most abundant elements. This single cell converts over 22% of sunlight directly into electricity, with no moving parts, no emissions. Installation day begins the panel's 25-year mission, silently converting sunlight into clean electricity that powers the home below.
Real-time monitoring confirms the factory's quality promise. Every watt of clean energy generated displaces fossil fuel electricity and reduces carbon emissions.
This facility produces enough panels annually to generate gigawatts of clean electricity, powering millions of homes from nothing but sunlight.
From photon to power. The solar panel, silent, clean, and enduring.
The power of the sun, captured in silicon, sand, light, and human ingenuity. Behind